Welcome back, family. If you are new, welcome. My name is Linda / the boss. I am so glad to have you here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today's video, I am going to share with you some home decor trends for 2022. Let's get started. Let's get it done like a boss. The boss is back. Living room trends.
Got so tired of waiting. Got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason.
Welcome to our formal living room. In today's video, I am going to share with you some home decor trends for winter 2022. Hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get it done like a boss.
You're right. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried.
Bonjour, mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay, kishanouye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Linda / the boss. If you're a home decor lover, you click on the white page. I have so many home decor ideas videos for you. Please don't forget to let me know in the comment down below, what do you think about today's video? Let's get started, let's get it done like a boss. Living room trends 2022.
You do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. most all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall slow